Right, you can see these here. Right, people are buying these, and come New Year's Day after midnight, they're going to be blowing them. They're going to get the motorbikes. They're going to be revving their engines. It's going to be a nightmare, and especially if you're not celebrating the New Year and you want to get some sleep. Now these normally wouldn't be allowed to be here. It's only because it's Christmas, New Year they're allowed here. Right, I've lost smell. Oh, she's there. Look at this. This is a lot of coconuts. Do you know what? These coconuts are the green ones, not the brown hairy ones. Don't know how else to describe it. But with the brown hairy ones, they don't save the juice, they throw it. Because they're saying it's not good for you like the green ones. And I just scratch my head because in the UK that's all we have is the brown ones. And the juice is yummy. I love it. And it's good for you. But they don't think so here. It's just the green ones, look. So again, all these little stalls would not normally be allowed here. So what you're saying here, what you're seeing here would not be here.
It's just a temporary.
Yeah, temporary. They wouldn't be here normally.
You want to try the eyeglasses?
You what, babe?
Do you want to try the eyeglasses?
Yeah. I thought you said there wasn't any.
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
What was that about? What?
Like, bogey point. I like that.
Bogey, alright, yeah. So, what's this about when you go to somebody's party? There has to be different types of fruit.
Party? No,
Huh?
I'm just saying that the tradition of Filipino, every New Year you need to put any kinds of fruits circle in the
Yeah.
table. Yeah, it's a tradition.
Bucket.
It's a tradition.
Oh, okay.
So your 2019 it's a
So we got kiwi fruit and they're 20 pesos each. And I bought one yesterday just to see what it was like, and it was pretty disgusting. It wasn't sweet.
so the 2019 whole year you will be good. It's good. Like lucky. It's a lot, right?
Yeah. All these stalls you see on the main street here, they wouldn't be allowed normally. It's only because it's Christmas, New Year they're allowed. So do you know anywhere in the UK or the US that it's like this? No, only in the Philippines. So you got to remember as well, guys, getting back onto the ladies thing, a lot of the time the families encourage the girls to find a foreigner, and in that respect obviously it's not good, so just bear that in mind.
Brown color.
No, brown's not good. Red or pink. Ano? So, as you can see, we're in Plaza, and look how busy it is. Now, like I keep reminding everybody, if you're anywhere in the Philippines, I don't care where it is, there's lots of people, crowds, you're rubbing up against everybody. Make sure you got your hand on your wallet, because it will be lifted. Because they look for foreigners, because foreigners are rich, right? Yeah. So, as I keep repeating, this would not normally be allowed, but because it's New Year and Christmas, you're allowed in. No. They're nice. Them. Huh?
Pick it up.
Them.
Pick it up.
It's not.
Just put there. I will try. Not there. It's not fit.
It does. Fit.
Oh,
Perfect.
it's not.
Why doesn't it fit?
Ako na pa kani ate. What's that size?
Magkano po karo kayo? 150?
Uy. Just look at what size. I asked at it.
Nothing. Well, it fits. Your foot fits it.
Ano size 9? Size 9.
That looks bigger, Mel.
Yeah, it's not fit to me.
How can it not fit when it's bigger?
This one is alright.
Yeah.
Ate,
How much?
may malaki pa po kayo.
300.
Huh?
10 po.
Find out how much we'll buy them, because you need some new shoes, because they're no good. How much?
150. 150. Ano?
Of the camera, babe.
Know what you know.